Think about that for a second. Out of all the videos, all the noise, all the endless scrolling, you stopped here. Not before, not later, but right now. And maybe it feels random. Maybe you clicked without thinking, but sometimes the things we call random carry a quiet kind of meaning. There are moments in life when something reaches you at just the right time. Not when everything is perfect, but when something inside you feels off. When your thoughts are heavier than usual. When you can't fully explain what's wrong, but you know something isn't right. And somehow, in the middle of all that, you end up here. This isn't about magic or coincidence. It's about timing, real timing, the kind that shows up when you're ready to hear something you've been avoiding or something you didn't even know you needed. Maybe you've been feeling stuck lately. Maybe you've been questioning things, your choices, your direction, even yourself. Or maybe everything looks fine on the outside, but inside there's a quiet restlessness you can't ignore anymore. And if any part of that feels true, then this moment matters more than you think. Because sometimes life doesn't send loud signs. It sends small pauses, small interruptions, a video like this. A moment where you stop just long enough to listen. So don't rush past this. Don't treat it like just another video. Just stay here for a moment. You didn't come here for no reason. Even if you didn't search for this, something in you paused long enough to stay. And that usually happens when your mind is tired of carrying too much, even if you don't say it out loud. Maybe you've been dealing with thoughts that don't leave you alone, overthinking small things, questioning decisions, wondering if you're on the right path, or just moving because you have to. It's not always obvious, but it builds up quietly, day by day. Sometimes it shows up as stress. Sometimes I feel disconnected. And sometimes it's just a strange feeling you can't explain, like something is missing, but you don't know what. You might still be doing everything you're supposed to do, showing up, smiling, getting through the day, but inside it feels different, slower, heavier, like you're not fully there. And the truth is, a lot of people feel this way. They just don't talk about it. They keep going, hoping it will pass, hoping clarity will come on its own. But moments like this, they interrupt that pattern. This is where you stop for a second, not to fix everything, not to figure out your whole life, just to notice what's been going on inside you. Because the fact that you're here right now says something. It says you're searching, even if you don't have the words for it yet. Feeling lost can be scary. It makes you question everything, where you're going, what you're doing, and whether any of it even makes sense. But what if being lost is not the problem? What if it's actually a sign that something inside you is changing? Most people think they're supposed to have everything figured out. A clear path, a clear plan, a clear answer. But real life doesn't work like that. Sometimes things fall apart before they come together. Sometimes clarity only shows up after confusion. When you feel lost, it usually means the old version of your life no longer fits you. The things that once made sense don't feel right anymore. The direction you were following starts to feel empty, and that can feel uncomfortable, but it's also important because growth doesn't feel like certainty. It often feels like doubt, like stepping into something unknown without knowing where it leads. You're not falling behind, you're not failing, you're just in a moment where things are shifting, even if you can't see the full picture yet. And maybe the reason this feels so hard is because you're trying to hold on to something that's already changing. So instead of asking, "Why am I lost?" try asking, "What is this moment trying to show me?" Because sometimes being lost is just the beginning of finding something real. There are signs you've been seeing, but maybe you didn't take them seriously. Not because you don't care, but because they were quiet, easy to ignore, easy to explain away. It could be a thought that keeps coming back again and again, no matter how much you try to push it away, or a feeling you get in certain moments, a small discomfort, like something isn't right, even when everything looks fine on the outside. Sometimes it shows up as patterns. The same kind of situation is repeating in your life. The same mistakes, the same outcomes, and deep down you notice it, but you keep moving, hoping it will fix itself. Then there's your intuition, that quiet voice inside you. It doesn't shout, it doesn't force you, it just whispers. It tells you when something feels off or when something feels right. But it's easy to ignore when life gets busy or when fear gets in the way. And maybe this video is one of those signs too. Not because it has all the answers, but because it makes you pause. It made you stop and listen, even for a moment. The truth is, these signs don't come to control you. They come to guide you. But they only matter when you're willing to notice them. So instead of brushing them off, ask yourself, what have you been feeling that you haven't fully faced yet? Because the answers don't always come from outside. Sometimes they've been quietly waiting inside you this whole time. You don't always need to do more. Sometimes you need to stop. Life keeps moving fast. There's always something to think about, something to fix, something to chase. And without even realizing it, your mind stays busy all the time. Noise from the outside, noise from inside. It never really gets quiet. And when everything is loud, it becomes hard to hear what actually matters. That's why pause is so powerful. Not a big break, not running away, just a simple moment where you stop and breathe, where you step back from everything pulling your attention in different directions. Because clarity doesn't come when you're rushing. It doesn't come when you're trying to force answers. It comes when you allow space, when you give your mind a chance to settle. Right now, you don't need to solve your whole life. You don't need to figure everything out. You just need a moment to be still, Even a small pause can change how you see things. It can help you notice what you've been ignoring. It can help you feel what you've been pushing away. And in that quiet space, something shifts. So just for now, slow down, not forever, just long enough to listen. Because sometimes the answers you're searching for don't come from doing more. They come from finally being still. There's something important you're meant to realize, and it's simpler than you think. You've been looking for answers outside, through other people, through opinions, through endless thinking, hoping something or someone will finally make things clear. But the truth is, a part of you already knows more than you give yourself credit for. It's just been buried under doubt, under fear, under all the noise telling you what you should do instead of what feels right to you. You've had moments before where things felt clear, small moments where your gut told you the truth. But maybe you ignored it. Maybe you second-guessed it. Maybe you chose what felt safer instead of what felt real. And that's okay. It happens to everyone. But now you're being asked to trust yourself a little more. Not perfectly, not all at once. Just enough to listen when something inside you speaks. You don't need to have everything figured out to take one honest step. You don't need full certainty to move in a direction that feels right. The answers you're searching for are not far away. They're not hidden somewhere you can't reach. They're already within you, quiet, steady, and waiting for you to trust them. And maybe this moment is where you start listening for real. There are things in your life that you already know are not working anymore. You can feel it even if you don't say it out loud. Certain habits, certain thoughts, maybe even certain situations or people, they drain you more than they give. But letting go is not easy. You get used to what's familiar even when it doesn't feel right. You tell yourself to hold on a little longer. You try to make it work. You convince yourself it's not that bad. And slowly, that weight builds up. The truth is, not everything is meant to stay. Some things are only there for a part of your life, not the whole journey. And holding on to them for too long only makes it harder for you to move forward. Letting go doesn't always mean something dramatic. It can be quiet. It can be a decision you make within yourself, a shift in how you think, a choice to stop repeating what's been hurting you. Yes, it might feel uncomfortable at first. Change often does. But that discomfort is not a sign that you're doing something wrong. It's a sign that you're making space for something better, something that fits who you are becoming, not who you used to be. So ask yourself honestly, what are you still holding on to, even though you know it's time to release it? Because sometimes growth begins the moment you finally let go. You don't need to change everything at once. In fact, trying to do that usually makes things harder. Real change doesn't come from big, sudden moves. It comes from small shifts, simple choices you repeat every day. It might be the way you speak to yourself, choosing to be a little kinder instead of critical. It might be one small decision you've been avoiding, or one step in a direction you've been thinking about for a long time. These small changes don't feel powerful at the moment. They feel almost too simple, but over time, they start to shape everything. They slowly change how you think, how you act, and how you see your life. You don't need perfect motivation. You don't need the perfect plan. You just need to start with what feels possible right now. Even something as simple as choosing a different thought can shift your entire day. Choosing not to repeat the same negative pattern can change your direction more than you expect. The key is not doing something big, it's doing something real. Because once you take one small step, it becomes easier to take another, and then another. And before you even realize it, you're not in the same place anymore. You might feel like you're far from where you want to be, like there's still a long way to go, like you haven't done enough yet. But the truth is, you're closer than you think. Progress doesn't always look obvious. It's not always loud or visible. Sometimes it's quiet. It's the way you think a little differently than before. The way you handle things with a bit more awareness. The way certain things don't affect you the same way anymore. Even being here, listening, reflecting, that's movement, that's growth. You're not the same person you were before. Even if it doesn't feel like a big change, something inside you has already shifted, and that matters more than you realize. It's easy to focus on what's missing, on how far you still have to go. But that way of thinking keeps you stuck in pressure. It makes you forget how much you've already come through. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compare your journey to anyone else. Your pace is your own, and it's enough. Right now, you are in motion, even if it feels slow. So instead of asking, why am I not there yet? Try asking, how far have I already come? Because when you look at it that way, you'll start to see something different. You'll see that you're not behind. You're already on your way. And maybe this was the message you needed to hear today. Not something complicated, not something overwhelming. Just a quiet reminder that you're not lost, you're not stuck, and you're not alone in what you're feeling. You're simply in a moment of change, a moment that's asking you to slow down, to listen, and to trust yourself a little more. You don't need all the answers right now. You don't need to have everything figured out. Just take it one step at a time. Be honest with yourself. Let go of what no longer feels right. And trust that where you are right now is part of where you're meant to be. And if this video found you at the right time, then don't ignore that feeling. Stay connected to it. Let it remind you that you're moving forward, even in ways you can't fully see yet. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to support it. Like this video so it can reach someone else who might need it. Share your thoughts in the comments. Sometimes putting it into words helps more than you expect, and share this with someone who might be going through something similar. And if you want more messages like this, don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself.